More people in Spokane County are catching COVID and going to the hospital. Today, Spokane Regional Health says 218 people tested positive for COVID. 117 people are being treated for COVID in a local hospital. The county hasn't seen a surge like this since last winter. Good evening. I'm Aaron Luna. Nia Wong has the night off. 3 people in the hospital with COVID-19 are children. Kaitlin Knapp is live in downtown Spokane with the concerns.
Aaron, the 3 children that are in the hospital are all under 12 years old, meaning they can't get vaccinated. That's because anybody that wants to get a COVID-19 vaccine have to be 12 or older. Now, as we get closer to the first day of school, the variant is raising some concern, not only for in the classroom, but what the future could look like for Spokane County.
The pandemic has brought us a lot of uncertainty, like how the Delta variant is going to affect Spokane. We do know the virus is spreading around the community.
We are seeing a spread that is fairly broad and representative of just a variant that is highly transmissible.
Our hospitals are strained. Providence is restricting visitors because of increasing cases. They're taking care of 3 children with COVID.
Typically, they've had either 0 or 1 at the worst possible times.
Only children 12 and older can get the vaccine, leaving some aspects of this upcoming school year a little uncertain.
The biggest unknown for us is the availability of vaccines for those under 12.
Spokane Regional Health will meet with superintendents next week to go over risk mitigation, such as testing. Masks are already required in all Washington schools. As for the community, Dr. Frank-Velazquez says a mask mandate is not out of the question.
So at this point, I'm staying with my recommendation for the time being. But we all have the prerogative of moving to a requirement if necessary at some point.
People between 20 and 29 years old make up about 21% of the cases. Velazquez says everyone needs to do their part to end the pandemic.
Each one of us individually can make a contribution to prevent the spread of this virus.
Now, the increase in cases also shows us that a lot of testing is being done in Spokane County. Now, despite that uptick, Spokane Regional Health says there is no shortage when it comes to access for a COVID-19 test. Reporting live in Spokane, Kaitlin Knapp for News Now.